Hey, welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Friend of the show, April Johnson, hit me up on Facebook today and showed me all the ingredients she had around the house and said, what can I make with this? And I sent her a little recipe for a raspberry bourbon cooler, and she has some Chambord available. Today we're going to do something similar. We're going to do a cherry bourbon cooler. And if you're not a bourbon fan, you can substitute in a vodka. It's still quite tasty. You'll get even more of the cherry notes. But today is the cherry bourbon cooler. And we're going to start with Early Times bourbon, the Early Times 100. We really don't need something with a very strong flavor profile. Nothing that's really spicy. You just want a smooth bourbon. And Early Times is going to do that for us today. And thanks to the Danes for the best tasting cherry liqueur in the world, Cherry Heering. And for our bitters, we're going to use the classic Angostura Bitters. To start with, we're going to use a shaker. This is a cobbler shaker. You can use a Boston shaker or whatever you got. Put a couple cups together. You're just making one drink. Cobbler shaker is super easy. It's a little harder to clean up at the end of the day, but it'll be in good shape. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of our Early Times. And then we're gonna go 3/4 ounce of the Cherry Heering. Half an ounce of lemon juice, which is pretty much, depending on your lemon, about half of a lemon. You gotta want to go fresh squeezed. If you've got citrus laying around, make cocktails with it. It's great. The store-bought juice has preservatives in it, and the taste is nowhere near the same as fresh citrus. So, fresh lemon juice, 2 shakes of Ango, and then we're going to fill this up with ice. Top, okay, little 15 seconds of shaking. We get a tall glass, all the way full with ice. Just fill it all the way up. The more ice, the better. It keeps it colder. The ice doesn't melt. Strain this guy in here. And then we'll top off with club soda. Club soda is different than seltzer. Club soda has sodium salt content in it, which helps bring out some different flavors. It's always nice in a cocktail. Seltzer doesn't have anything in it. It's just carbonated water. Then your mineral water is usually naturally occurring carbonated water that has different minerals in it. Different brands have different tastes. Club soda is pretty much going to get the same taste for most different brands, but it's great in a cocktail like this. So give this a little bit of a stir. Garnish with a lime wheel. And there is your cherry bourbon cooler. Enjoy, and see you next time on Cocktails for Quarantines.
Cocktails for Quarantines.